it is, guys. 1970 Chrysler 440. This is what I just pulled from that Chrysler Imperial, and it is eventually going to find its way, or parts of it, into the gasser. So wait, I'll give you a little special bonus here tonight. I'm going to show you a little preview of what it might just look like in the gasser. What my hope is going to be anyway. So, here it is, guys. Be happy. Been waiting a long time to see that intake on there. Now, don't forget, there's obviously a whole lot of cleanup to do. Like I said, I might even only be using the crankshaft out of this engine and saving the block for a future build. Don't know. End of the day, that's going to be a wrap for tonight. And this all needs to be gone through too. It's been sitting for I don't know how many years before I bought it from my buddy. He had it for I don't know how many years before wherever he got it from. I don't know. Anyway, long story short, that's her. Thanks for watching.